So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and I am going to my keyboard, and simply I am going to type here 2026. So I type 2026, type like this, and now again I am going to my keyboard, and there you can see this is the Alt key and this is the S key. So I press one of my finger in this Alt key, and at the same time my other finger I am pressing in this S key. So if I press these two keys at the same time, then this will be ellipsis. This will be the result. So for creating 2026, simply type like this, and after that you can simply press these two keys, Alt and S key, and this is the result. So first type 2026, and after that you can try by this method. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.